offers a variety of low-temperature chiller models, such as the LT and LTZ series. When selecting a model, it's crucial to consider factors such as the temperature range of the reaction process, cooling capacity requirements, equipment stability, and environmental adaptability to ensure that experimental accuracy and safety requirements are met. Cooling capacity requirements. Determine the required cooling capacity based on the specific heat load, temperature control accuracy. Different processes may have strict requirements for temperature control. Therefore, it's necessary to select a low-temperature chiller that can provide accurate temperature control. Environmental adaptability. Select the appropriate chiller type based on the environment, stability, and reliability. The stability of the low-temperature chiller is critical for continuous production. Equipment with high-quality components, excellent manufacturing processes, and reliable performance should be selected to minimize downtime. Low-temperature chillers, variable frequency technology. Businesses need to consider the energy efficiency of the chiller to reduce operating costs. Branded components. Low-temperature chillers use branded compressors, which are characterized by high efficiency and durability.